In this video, we will be showing you the steps to correctly set up the ice maker on your Sharp SJG2351FS refrigerator. First, ensure the refrigerator is plugged into a working outlet. Next, ensure your refrigerator is connected to a water line in your kitchen and that the valve for the water line is turned on. Now, open your refrigerator's upper freezer drawer and ensure the ice maker assembly is set to close. Then close the upper freezer drawer. If the ice maker was turned to open, the refrigerator will not make any ice. Then, open the refrigerator doors to use the control panel on the ceiling of the refrigerator. Press the ice maker button until you hear a beep and the icon with the 3 ice cubes is illuminated. The ice maker uses the ambient temperature of the freezer section to freeze water and make ice cubes. If your refrigerator has been unplugged for some time, it may take several hours for the freezer to get cold enough to make ice cubes. Once your freezer has cooled down enough to make ice, you can enjoy the ice cubes made by your Sharp refrigerator.